Alright guys, we're back out here with the truck. I got the charger hooked up, and I'm gonna pop one of these door panels on here for you so you can see what it looks like and see how they turned out. Hoping this thing doesn't give me too much trouble because I have to get it back in our little lean-to in there because we're supposed to get some snow. I'm just gonna set most of this stuff in the back of the truck so I could squeeze it in here. Get it in here, get this buttoned up for the snow, so I really don't want the truck out in the snow. We'll pop the door panel on that. Man, I love the red, white, and blue. Yeah, could be a lot colder. I'm just gonna pop this trim back off. Might need the pliers, might not. No, looks like I could do it. I'll grab the pliers, just make it easier. Alright. I got my pliers here. Pretty chilly. The sun's helping a lot now. That clip just stayed on. I'll just pop that clip back out. And we'll put one more. We'll put one more in it. Enough for now. I'll grab my trim. And just gotta get this other clip seated back in here. Just like so. Like so. Perfect. Look at that. I got the door rest in here in the truck somewhere. I have to dig them out and put them on, but I just wanted to slap this panel on here so you guys can get a look at how they look. And I think they turned out pretty good. I think they turned out pretty good. I should do a video on the whole truck, but I will eventually. Just showing you guys. I need a steering wheel. Seen better days. But that's the door panels. That's what it looks like without them. I'm just gonna go with this one for now because I do want to put the mirrors on. And I'm gonna have to take that door panel out to get to the mirror bolts. So I'm not gonna go too crazy yet. I'm gonna have to fill in some of these holes. This isn't for me. I think these two are for me. I did have a set of mirrors on it, but my dad wanted to use them for his blue truck, so we took them back off and put them on that, which I can't really complain because they look great on the blue truck. So I'm gonna get this thing to siphon. I'm gonna pull it in the garage. I'll videotape that too. Maybe you guys want to stick around and hear it. Watch me back it in. Alright, we'll see how this goes. I gotta get the gas to siphon out of the can there, which is a pain sometimes, but it is what it is. And this thing's been idling high when I've been starting it up lately. Who knows? This carburetor came from the junkyard, so it's just it's good enough to do what I'm doing here. Let's hang this so you get a better flow. Let's see, it might. Yeah, see, it went dry. Don't try this at home. It's gonna be a pain in the balls. I could suck on the hose, but I'm not a fan. Get some pressure in the can, it usually goes. There it is. Let's see if she pops off. I'll put you guys in the back. Probably a good idea to get the keys. Alright. Right where I left them. A little bit of trouble getting it to siphon, so what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to load the truck bed up with all the stuff from the inside so I could just pull it right in and do it that way. So hey, it is what it is. Stick this in the cab. I might as well get the leaves out of my little shed here. Alrighty then. It really wants to be an issue, so I'm gonna go get some more gas. The can's pretty low, and I'll come back. Alright, got some more gas, so squirting fuel now. I'm pretty sure I got a good siphon, and I'm gonna try this for the 5th time after getting gas. Probably should have went and got gas in the first place. perfect. I wanted to try to get it as close to that side as I could, so I have some walking room in here. Gets a little tight, but we're good to go. Next video I make, I will be probably messing with these just to get them on the truck, fill my holes in, and put my mirrors on. I got my mirrors. They have a pretty good patina to them, like a white patina, because I'm going to do the patina look on this whole truck. So we'll get this done. I'm probably going to I'll do some research into it, see how guys are doing it, but hit this with a real fine sandpaper and get it looking good. But I like the patina. It's like all this stuff that's got to go. So thanks for watching. Till next time.